the C-Max White Bath Towel Set. They meet the highest safety and environmental standards. There are 8 towels in this pack, including these 2 bath towels, 2 hand towels, and 4 little washcloths. A unique feature about this set is that they all come with a bio tag. Here you see a blue stripe on the tag, and it's used to reflect the towel's current usage status. When the 2 stripes become the same color, it means the towel needs to be replaced. They also have hanging loops to hang and dry quickly. These towels are all 100% high-quality cotton, extremely absorbent, and super fluffy and soft. Here is the JC Ring Smart Ring. If you're like me and dislike wearing a bulky smartwatch, this fitness tracking ring is a great solution. Here's the manual, which includes a QR code to take you straight to the app to download. It's an app that is independently developed and continually updated. Here's the charging cable actually, and that's the case that you would put it in to charge. Here's the ring. The ring itself is made of premium materials and titanium, making it very durable and hypoallergenic. It has a long battery life that lasts 7 to 12 days. It's very convenient as it's all wireless charging. It offers high precision monitoring for things like heart rate, blood oxygen, heart rate variability, and stress monitoring. It's also waterproof, so you can wash your hands or shower without any worry. The wireless charging feature also prevents any issues with water damage. Here are 16-ounce glass cups from Joy Club. They're great for yourself or as gifts. I've designed some cute crochet cup coaster designs lately that would work as really nice gift bundles with these cups. Since it comes in a budget-friendly set of 8, you can split it into 8 individual gifts with handmade cup coasters. They are a complete set with accessories since you have bamboo lids, glass straws, and even straw brushes. It is very easy to clean and it's reusable. You can ditch plastic for glass as a healthier option. No more microplastics. I really love how pretty and minimalist they are. You can see your drink, and I'm sure juices and smoothies will look so pretty in there. This See You Mirror couch arm tray would elevate any crocheter's experience. Here is how it arrived. It's very easy to put together. It works with straight arm sofas and is very stable. It's made of pure natural bamboo wood and has protective coating so it's waterproof and easy to clean. It's very well designed. I love that it has rounded corners, a cup holder, a swiveling phone stand, and a charging cable opening, as well as a plug fixator. Everything is within an arm's reach.